I think what makes this event so great is it gives these professionals an opportunity to showcase their skills and really show off what they know and how well they can do it. The families get really involved, the drivers and the technicians get an opportunity to spend time with their family and show them what they do every day, and they, that tie together really makes it a very valuable event for them.
It's a family atmosphere, and it brings the best of the best together. And when truck drivers here, it's not what company you work for, but it's more about truck drivers helping truck drivers become better drivers.
But the thing about this year's award winner is he's just plain old a great guy, a great truck driver, and a great American. Scott Woodrum, FedEx Freight.